Speaking at a panel held alongside the second United Nations Food Systems Summit, Stocktech World Food Programme Country Director Zlatan Milisic emphasized on the significant economic transformation that Ethiopia has achieved over the past decade. He also appreciated the efforts that have been invested in Ethiopian food systems transformation as well as nutrition by the government of Ethiopia and its relevant partners. The average 10% economic growth of Ethiopia over the past decade lifted millions out of poverty and improved various key social indicators, he noted.
With annual growth of the real gross domestic product, or GDP, averaging 10%, this economic growth lifted millions out of poverty. And it's also improved various key social indicators. This has also been accentuated by the homegrown economic reform and the 10-year development plan for Ethiopia, Pathway for Prosperity 2021 to 2030. Collectively, these frameworks evoke strategic pillars of economic growth, productivity and competitiveness, technological capacity and digital economy, as well as sustainable development financing, private sector-led economic growth, a resilient green economy, just among others. These pillars aim not only to trigger economic transformation, but also to create an enabling environment for investment for a resilient and climate-smart food systems in Ethiopia.
The vision the country director underscored has been translated by several initiatives such as the Green Legacy, Bounty of Basket, Irrigated Wheat Initiative, the Agriculture Commercialization Cluster, Integrated Agro-Industry Parks, among others. He further noted that the productive sectors and consequently related agro-food system transformations still face structural challenge despite the efforts.
This vision has been translated by several initiatives in different sectors. To name a few: the Green Legacy Initiative to address environmental concerns, the Yelemat Terufat, the Bounty Basket to develop the livestock sector, Irrigated Wheat Initiative and the Agricultural Commercialization Cluster in the agricultural sector that demonstrated the use of enhanced inputs and technology to help transform the rural and agricultural landscape. The multi-sectoral Sector Declaration to address the root causes of chronic malnutrition. The integrated agro-industrial parks designed to modernize and transform the agro-industrial sector.
Milisic finally expressed the World Food Programme's commitment to supporting equitable, peaceful and prosperous Ethiopia driven by self-reliance and resilience. On her part, Health Minister Dr. Addis Ababa said that Ethiopia has embarked on a bold and coordinated journey to transform its food system over the last 4 years, prioritizing integrated planning across agriculture, climate, biodiversity and nutrition. Ethiopia has been striving to achieve a resilient, sustainable and inclusive food system that ensures food sovereignty and nationwide well-being through the establishment of a national food system transformation plan and nutrition governance model, she added.
Initiatives such as the Yelemat Terufat mentioned earlier, the Green Legacy initiatives, which were both launched by our Prime Minister, His Excellency Dr. Abiy Ahmed, are also nurturing the national rich climate resilient future rooted in a local food system and also ecologically road mapping our stewardship.
Moreover, the minister emphasized on the need for targeted investments and stronger multi-stakeholder partnerships to realize a climate-smart agri-food system in the country. The Sector Declaration exemplifies this approach, mobilizing domestic financing and engaging multiple sectors to apply evidence-driven sectors, she said. Looking ahead, Ethiopia is actively seeking partnerships in areas such as fertilizer production, mechanization, nutrition and supply chain investment, the minister elaborated.